just entering into the navigable part of the Shannon, so soon we'll see the canal. Well, actually right here, the locks for the canal. This is the Shannon Canal that goes back up to Loch Holland. So we took the actual river, and this is the canal to the loch. Soon we'll be reaching the Boyle River.
Well, today, after leaving camp, we did the rest of the Shannon down to where it met the locks. It was quite nice, great little part of the river. Then it opened up after we hit the locks and got a lot deeper and a lot wider. It slowed down a bit, and the banks got pretty agricultural, a lot of grazing, a lot of cattle. It was pretty, very pretty, but we got a bit of a headwind for most of the morning, all the way down to Carrick-On-Shannon. We had to make a pit stop about lunchtime. We went and got some lunch, and we also did some grocery shopping, and we seen a pub that we wanted to go to, Gin on the Bar. It was a nice little place. We seen it 2 days ago, I think, the first day we were on the river. We seen it from the bus stop right across the river, and we decided we had to go there. It even had a dock for the canoe, and we decided to have our first glass of Guinness. So Carol and I shared a nice pint and talked about our trip up to that point. It was a nice time. Then we got back on the river. It was pretty good going, but a little hard today. We had a bit of a headwind, really pushing it, and it was pretty, but the whole way was work. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm sure Carol is too. Anyways, that was quite the paddle for the afternoon.
There's a lot of wind. Everything is headwind for 3 days. I'm going to boat. Yeah, I need help.
Well, after paddling through a few open areas, well, we were ready to get back onto some real river. Later, we ended up having to make a decision. We got to a point where there was another canal because the river, the old river, went through a narrow area near Jamestown, and there's a dam and a lot of shallows, or we could take the canal. We decided to go to Jamestown. And when we got to Jamestown, about that time, it was about dusk, and it started raining. And, well, we had to find camp, and the only place we could find was an opening, an old pasture next to a cemetery. A bit creepy, but it was a nice little spot. So we set up camp, and well, now trying to decide what to make for dinner. Carol and I, oh, Carol's already started. She must already decide what I should probably be helping her. Anyways, I'm gonna put this down and go help her out. So I guess we will catch you tomorrow. I think after dinner we might try to find some warm sleeping bags and get out of the rain.